Hello friends, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to save SVG format in Photoshop. First, open your Photoshop. Here, I already created a fox icon. Then, go to the File menu, click on the Export to Export As. Go to the File setting and click on the PNG. Here, we see three formats: PNG, JPG and GIF. Here we cannot see SVG option. If you wanna SVG option, then go to the edit menu, click on the preference to general and click on the export and check use legacy export as, then OK. Again go to the file menu, click on the export to export as. Here we get SVG option. Select SVG, click on the export and save as. Now we save SVG format. If you enjoy this video, don't forget like, comment and subscribe for more videos.